What's going on today, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. The other day I made a video ranting about the truck, which, I mean, don't get me wrong, sometimes I get frustrated with it, but don't take it as like I absolutely hate the truck, because this truck was like the first big purchase that I made on my own, and like for the longest time it actually treated me pretty well. But there are times whenever I do get frustrated with it, like, and the other night was one of those examples and stuff. I had the camera with me, so I just figured I'd rant to it. The thing that I'm most proud about this truck is how much time I've gotten to spend with my dad, because I honestly wouldn't have been able to do this project without him, because he knows a lot about engines, and he doesn't know everything, but like if he doesn't know something, he'll watch a video and figure it out, which I appreciate that so much, because sometimes I just get overwhelmed with projects like these. And to be honest, my dad has really helped me with this project, because it's just been a lot to handle. But I honestly wouldn't trade it for the world. Like, the experiences that I've had, and just it's just been a overall good project. Even though some of the things that we've had to do weren't the most like fun things, like at my grandparents' garage, January 1st, tearing down this thing in like freezing temperatures, like lower than I can't even remember how cold it was, but it was cold. And then, but honestly, it just added to the memories. So like whenever I posted that video the other day, don't take it as like I hate this truck and I'm wanting to completely get rid of it and get it out of my life, which sometimes I do feel that way. And the other night whenever I made that video, I was feeling that way. But right now I kind of have a change of heart, because like this truck has meant so much to me over the past couple of years. Even though some of my friends don't really understand why I still have it, but it's just, I don't know, there's just something about it that I still go back to. Dad, I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for doing all this for me. And yeah.